Hey everyone, I wanted to show you these windshield wipers I got for my Ford Expedition. They come in this kind of interesting packaging which I've never seen before, but let me open it up for you, show you what they look like on the inside, and give you guys an idea of what to expect. I'm going to install these in my car as well and show you how they work. So here they are right here. For some reason they were in that kind of packaging. Maybe it takes away less space, not sure. Looks like they have a user guide here. Tells you how to set it up depending on what kind of windshield wiper you have in your car. But let me take these out of the packaging here. So they have a natural kind of bend shape to them, so that when you put them on, they're kind of pressing firmly against your windshield. This plastic thing is just for protection, so make sure you remove that. And they have a solid red piece right there that kind of keeps the whole structure in place without bending. And they also have this kind of shape specifically designed for aerodynamics. So as they're gonna be wiping your windshield, the air is gonna go here and actually press on this to press this against your windshield. So even the shape of it is thought through. And looks like right here is the connection for the wiper blade. It should be pretty straightforward. I'm gonna get these installed and then I'll show you what they look like on the car, and as well as how they work. So make sure you finish watching till the rest of the video so you can see how they work. So I wanted to show you how can you install this. Basically, you're gonna open this little part right here and take it out this way, and then you're gonna slide this onto your windshield wiper. Basically, make sure that fits that way. Make sure it slides on like that, and then locks into place. And then that's it. It's already installed. And you do the same thing on the other side. So here we got the wipers installed, and let me show you how they work. So you can see they're working flawlessly. Very smooth, no streaks, no skipping places. Works beautiful. And I really like the red line. Kind of gives your car this kind of sporty look, which is kind of a nice bonus. So if you guys are looking for some nice windshield wipers that work really well, that are easy to install, check out these guys right here.